It's, it is 8. Ano is it? It is 8. What do you mean that? Ah. Oh yes, it's 8 o'clock in the evening here. Ed Anuba. You learn how to speak Tagalog, Ed? Asli, this is, Wednesday evening here in the Philippines. Hello, Sanjay, Tamsak. Thank you so much, Tamsak. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Yes, it's 8. 8 p.m. in the evening, Ed Anova. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Ay, thank you, guys. Was it into? No, what's no? Yeah. Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog. Yan. Ed, ano ba you not speak Tagalog? No, ayaw niya daw. Why? Why not learning how to speak Tagalog? Ed Anova. When is your birthday? Last August. August 3rd. It's Edna. When is your birthday? August 3. Was in it too. I don't live in Manila. Yeah, I'm not living in Manila. I'm in the province. Today also August, right? Yes, today is August. But, celebrated last August 3. Hmm. Thank you so much, guys. Please like our live, guys. Thank you so much. Or like and share or subscribe, guys. If you want to subscribe me, ayan, subscribe. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe my live, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming to my live. Ashley, Ed, and Sanjay Rawat Singh so much. Thank you for viewers. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much. What did you do for birthday? Me? This time I'm not celebrating my birthday this last time because I'm I'm not ano nawawala talaga. I'm not celebrated. Yan. Hello, Geronimo Dodoy. Tasak po man. Thank you sa matasak. Ayan. Sir, Dodoy, matagal na pala kitang nadikitan. Nakita ko kanina, tinignan ko dito sa main ko. I don't live in I don't live in province. Why? Our province is beautiful and wonderful place. Thank you, good daday. Tasak po, ma'am. Thank you sa patamsak. Thank you so much. Yan. Please like and subscribe our, please like, guys. Only like, I'm very happy na, if like my live, guys. If we want to like our live. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you sa heart, Dodoy. Ayan, matagal na pala ka nakita ko kanina. Yan, tinignan ko kanina.